guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make a little bit of money using InboxDollar. So first you have to sign up. Click the link in the description below and then sign up, and right away you'll get $5 instantly. And then you will download this little app here, that little app like green dollar walking, and then I'll show you how to find the game. Okay, so once you download, you click this little app here, and then here's the home page, and then you click that three lines here and you got the arcade, and then you get that's the arcade games. You can play with that to fill up the line. This is my favorite monkey bubble shooter. It's fun. And then there's another here, the magic receipt. And then here's when it fill up the line on the top, you can scratch, and then you can get 8 cents to 100 cents. And then you will come back here, and there's a repair prints and web search and more. And here, then you click the offer below, and then click the playtime, and this is the game that you can choose to play. And here's my income. There's my earnings so far. And so this is what it looks like in the desktop. I like to work in a desktop if I'm not playing the games. If I'm just checking this is the home. There's a lot of uh, there's a service here and the store that you can get the percent, and every morning I'll go look at this daily list, and if you go pick 5 of these complete 5 of these uh, daily list here, you can get 5 cents, and if you can complete all of it, you get 10 cents. That's every day. So I'll just first answer and learn. It's pretty easy. And here's the daily goal. If you can reach the goal here, my goal here was only 76 cents in a day, so I already earn it. And every day if you earn your goal, you can get 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. In the 5 days straight, you can get extra 10 cents. And then if you, and tomorrow 5 cents, and then the next day you get it straight, you can get $1 bonus. So here I already have $1, and then tomorrow is gonna be 105, and then the day after that is gonna be 205. So that's pretty good. It's accumulate. And here there's the offer. This is the one that I just recently completed, the solitaire. So that's why I got $25 pending. And then the one that I completed a week before was the Queen. What was that there? The Queen Master. I completed this last week, and I got $15 for it. It's really fun game, and it's very easier than the solitaire. Solitaire is a lot hard to get to complete the level, but it was really fun too. So next there's a bunch of sorbet. If you like sorbet, that's every day there, but I don't really like the sorbet. And then here's the shop. There's a lot of shop in here, stores and stuff. And here you can upload your receipt every day. Anytime you have a new receipt, you can upload it. And if you have a product that's here, you can add it, and then you can get money back. You can get cash back of every product that's in here, just to add it, and then it's gonna be here. I have a lot of added here, but I didn't get that product yet. And then there's the coupon too. You can print the coupon, and every time you print, you can get 1 cent in every print. And then every time you redeem that coupon, you use it when you go to the store, you can get 10 cents per coupon redeem. Then after this, there's the games. These games is for in the arcade, the one that I showed you in my app. So here's my favorite, the monkey bubble shooter. And then every time you play, it will, this line here will fill up and until it goes to here. And then also the search, you can do that in the app too. So you search in the app and that one will goes fill up really fast. And then what else? And you can repair prints and repair that prints. And then there's a lot more here, like the win it. You can find go back tomorrow. I already got my code today. That's for only 2 cents, but you know it's will accumulate. That's why I get that. I get the $111.45 that I have not redeemed yet, but I will it today after I make this video. So here I have 136 because as I said, I have the $25 pending from the Salter that I just completed yesterday. That's gonna be staying there for 7 days at least, and then it's gonna go up to my ready to redeem earnings. So right now I have 136.45, and I will cash it out. So when you cash it out, you will just request a cash, and we always like Amazon. So I will get the Amazon card, and then you'll just get 100 here. So you just click 100 Amazon. Then you just click rewarded, and then here you confirm you are about to redeem for the following Amazon.com $100 gift card. So here's my $100 gift card deducted from my account. I still have left 11. So I will just keep confirm. So I'll hit confirm. Then ta-da! Jumpstart for your next reward. So you got a lot of another offer there, and Sorby here and in store. So here, congratulations, a $100 cashback has been deducted from your account for this purchase. We are currently processing your order. You will be notified via email when your order is ready. So ta-da! Now I'm down to $11.45. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to, if you want to learn more, you can ask me questions, and want to do this, just click the link below in the subscription and sign up, and then it's very easy to sign up, and you'll get $5 right away in your account. And then in your phone you can download the app, and there you can play the app with the game. The most of my earnings here is from playing games. I don't really do the service a lot, but playing games, it's fun and you get a little bit of money. So if you don't want Amazon, there's a lot more in there. You can request a different. So I have here my redemption card now. So you have her different cards, a bunch of cards here, different store. So the Walmart is here in the bottom. That's all I like to get, Walmart and Amazon. But you still can get, if you want cash, you can get, if you have a PayPal, then you can use PayPal. Since I don't have a PayPal account, so that's all my favorite, Amazon and Walmart. Sometimes I get Google Play if I have the game that I really like, then I have a Google Play too. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will like this. This is really fun. You can just sit in your couch and watch TV and then play a video game. It's like try multitasking. It's really fun. You will never get bored. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. I hope you will like my video. Bye!